Hey everyone! Today, I have an awesome game that helps kids strengthen their multiplication and area skills while having fun. What you need: a grid paper, 2 dice, 2 players, 2 different colored pencils. How to play. First, divide the grid paper in half with a line. Each player gets one side. The first player rolls both dice. For example, if they roll 3 and 2, they calculate 3 times 2 equals 6 and color a rectangle with an area of 6 on their side. It could be 2 times 3, 3 times 2, or 6 times 1. Then it's the second player's turn. Suppose they roll 4 and 2. They color an area of 8. The game continues, with each player coloring the area their dice show. The winner is the first player to completely fill their side of the grid. Some numbers have multiple rectangle options. For example, if you roll 3 and 4, you can choose between 3 times 4 or 2 times 6, depending on which fits your space best. If the number is too large, use the distributive property. For example, rolling 6 and 4 gives an area of 24, but if space is limited, you can break it into 4 by 4 and 2 by 4 to fit the grid. If you'd like to practice multiplication up to 10 times 10, use 10-sided dice or an online dice roller. This way, you can practice all multiplication facts. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more fun math games.